Welcome to MathQuence channel. Today we are going to see 35th question of part B of CBSE class 10th max sample paper. 35th question is water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe of internal diameter 2 centimeter into a cylindrical tank of base radius 40 centimeter at the rate of zero point 0.7 per second. By how much will the water rise in the tank in half an hour? So in the question, what is given is that cylindrical pipe of internal diameter 2 centimeter. So you draw a pipe, cylindrical pipe of internal diameter. Okay, so the diameter is 2 centimeter. Okay, here water is flowing. Water is flowing into a cylindrical tank. Okay, this water flows into the tank. Cylindrical tank. Okay, this is a tank of shape cylinder of base radius. Here base radius is given 40 centimeter and this water is flowing at the rate of 0.7 meter per second. Okay, here this is a pipe and this is a tank. Both are of a cylindrical shape. What is the question is that by how much will the water rise in the tank in half an hour? So what is the question is the height of the water is asked, okay, in half an hour. Okay, so this is the question. So hence to find out the height of the water in the tank in half an hour, okay, the volume of water in the pipe should be equal to the volume of the water in the tank. So here volume of water in the pipe is equal to volume of water in the tank. And we need to find out within half an hour. So time we need to multiply with this, okay, with this pipe, because it's coming at the rate of 0.7 meter per second. Okay, so therefore we know the time half an hour. So 1 hour has 3600 seconds. 1 hour, in 1 hour 3600 seconds are there. In half an hour, so 3600 divided by 2. How many seconds? 1800 seconds. So T value is 1800 seconds. And we know volume of water is, formula is pi r square h. Okay, this is a pipe, this is pipe, and here also pi r square tank. Okay, tank. Therefore you substitute this formula here. Okay, so instead of T you substitute 1800 and volume pi. R value, radius of the pipe is, here diameter is given, therefore radius of the pipe is 1 centimeter. So you write 1 into 1, okay, r square, into height of the pipe, you substitute 0.7, okay, this is speed, so for 1 second 0.7 meter. So this is the height, okay, 0.7 meter is the height, but we need to write in centimeter, therefore 0.7 centimeter is nothing but 70 centimeter, 0.7 meter, okay, this is 70. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 0.7 meter is 0.7 into 100, which is 70 centimeter, okay, so 70, which is equal to volume of water in the tank pi r tank radius. Here base radius is 40 centimeter is given, therefore 40 into 40, height of the tank we need to find out, okay. So this is the formula. From this ht should be found, okay. Pi and pi we can get cancel, okay, in both side, therefore we are having here 1 0 and 1 0 get cancelled. Here also 1 0 and 1 0 will get cancelled. Here we are having 16 HT. Here 180 into 7. So HT can be calculated 180 into 7 divided by 16. So we can in 2 table 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 0. And again 4 table if you cancel, 2 table 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 45 into 7. So height is 45 into 7 by 4, which is equal to 5 sevens are 35, 31, 315 by 4. If you divide 315 by 4, you will get 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, plus 7 5 centimeter. So height of the tank, okay, height raised with the water in half an hour is 78.75 centimeter. This is the answer for this question.